Hi everyone. This tutorial is about setting up a DHCP server, of course using Cisco Packet Tracer. As you know, a DHCP server is able to automatically assign the IP addresses to all the clients, right? So I'm going to just pick up 5 computers as usual. Okay, just pick up 5 computers from here, and I'm going to hook up to a switch. All right, and of course you pick up the server too. Okay, the third one, and just connect the second one is a switch. Take the default switch. Right now the cable connection, which is a copper straight. Right, reserve the first one. Start from the second interface, okay, which is a fast Ethernet. All right, and then the third interface to second PC. Right, and then over here. All right, okay, anyway, DHCP is very important. In fact, for large organizations, okay, definitely they will have a DHCP server. They can't afford to go and configure, client by client. So they have to do it in this manner. All right, so now having done this way, so I'm going to configure this server, right? Okay, click the server. Right, go to desktop, okay, the third tab, and then click the IP configuration. So I'm going to pick up the IP address, which is a class C, 192.168, okay, .1.100. That's a server IP address, and the mask is the default. For time being, well, we can keep the default gateway and the DNS server empty, all right, but for future planning, I might want to just keep one default gateway here. Then you can close it. Right, and pick up the config, the second tab. Okay, now you can notice DHCP. Okay, DHCP here, the default gateway got to change to 192.168.1.1, which we have just set up. The DNS server, which we did not actually specify, so leave that empty. But I want to start the IP address from 2 over here, because the first one, the reason why I'm starting from 2, the first one, 192.168.1.1, I'm going to configure that as a router. So after that, just save it and make sure you turn on the DHCP here. All right, and then just close it. So now just pick up the first PC here, and then go to desktop, IP configuration. Of course, by default, static, but click DHCP. You're supposed to get here. There you go. The DNS server, I did not configure, so I just by default I'm going to leave it as it is. Now you could see the IP address starts from 192.168.1.2, right? Okay, this is okay. Let's pick up the second one. Let's get all the IP addresses. Again, go back. DHCP. This is .3. It's working. Third one, desktop IP configuration. This is .4. Yep. And over here, IP configuration, DHCP. Yep, .5. And this is the last one. .6. Yep. So now let's pick up this PC here. Go to command prompt. Just check your IP address and try to ping one of your neighbors, which is perhaps 1.6. Yep, you are now able to connect to your neighbors. That's great. So that means the DHCP server functions effectively. All right, you can just hook up many computers over here, and the server will automatically assign IPs to those machines. All right, so again, practice this is very important. This is something that very useful for your upcoming tutorials, right? Okay, bye. See you in the next session.